Hello, Chef here in one of the kitchens, and I'm working with shrimp today. I thought I would share this with you, a couple of little tips. So you already know butterflied shrimp, I'm sure. Right there is a butterflied shrimp, okay? Yeah, you can do a lot of cool things with the butterflied shrimp. Now here's another shrimp idea for you. You cut a hole in it right there like this and bring the tail back through. Okay, it makes a nice presentation, and it's just kind of unusual. You don't see it very often, so it's pretty cool. More of a standing shrimp. So there you go. Very easy to remove the tail later. Right there I got a standing shrimp. Yeah. Okay, the shrimp go in like this. Little garlic in there. Yeah. I'll be back. Some pasta. These standing shrimp. Looking really, really good. Alright, and the last thing I got here, pinch of tomatoes, and a little bit of sauteed cauliflower. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. Watch the other videos. Have a beautiful day.